In the winter months, you're more likely to have an asthma attack. So here's how you can reduce the risk of having an asthma attack. The first thing is that we need to be aware of the signs of poorly controlled asthma. So this means a regular cough at night, being wheezy or more breathless than others when running around, and using a blue inhaler more often than expected. You need to make sure you use the inhaler correctly, ideally with a spacer, and this ensures that the medicine reaches your lungs. You should also avoid triggers where possible. So you can do this by reducing exposure to cigarette smoke. This doesn't just mean personal and passive smoking. Smoke on clothes and hair can make asthma worse. And you also need to make sure you get a flu jab each year.